If you're searching for a Coursera Plus monthly deal, you may be wondering whether the monthly plan is worth it or if the annual subscription offers better value. Before we get started, you'll find a discount link in the description below that gives access to the latest Coursera Plus offer, so you can check the current pricing and see if the promotion is still active. Coursera Plus currently offers a monthly plan for $59 per month, giving learners access to thousands of courses, specializations, professional certificates, and hands-on projects without a long-term commitment. One of the biggest advantages of the monthly option is flexibility. You can subscribe when you need it and cancel anytime. The monthly plan also includes a 7-day free trial, allowing you to explore the platform before being charged. With Coursera Plus, you get access to more than 10,000 courses from over 350 leading universities and companies, including Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and many others. You can study popular subjects like AI, Python, data science, business, cybersecurity, project management, and technology while earning certificates that can strengthen your resume and LinkedIn profile. However, if you plan to take multiple courses throughout the year, many learners find that the annual plan offers much better value. Right now, new subscribers can get the Coursera Plus annual plan for just $239 instead of the regular $399 price. That's a 40% discount and less than $20 per month when billed annually. So, is the Coursera Plus monthly deal worth it? If you only need short-term access or want to try the platform first, the monthly plan is a great option. But if you plan to keep learning throughout the year, the discounted annual plan usually provides the biggest savings. Check the discount link in the description below to see the latest Coursera Plus offer and compare the plans for yourself.